Hey, this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech. Today I've got another video for you in the How To PC series, and we're going to be talking about disk cleanup and disk defragmenter. Both of these utilities are either meant to slightly help clean up and organize your computer, which frees up a little bit of storage space, or slightly meant to optimize the drives inside of it. So both of them are very good to do, and some of them even do it on a schedule, but we'll get into that in a second. So we're going to start with disk cleanup. So you can click the start menu, and I like to just type it because it's the easiest. So disk, and you'll see disk cleanup pops up here. The C drive is normally where your operating system is stored almost always. So leave it default and just click OK. And it will scan through, and it will scan your PC for lots of different files here, ones that you don't have to use. Go ahead and click up this cleanup file system files, and so it's going to do the same thing. It's going to scan for the same stuff plus Windows Update files, which can tend to take up quite a bit of space. So we're just going to check all these boxes here that over time tend to just build up and use some space. You do want to be sure that your recycling bin doesn't have anything in it that you want, because it will remove the recycling bin and empty it for you. So you can see these Windows installation files had a decent little amount, but I keep mine pretty clean, so there's not a whole lot there. But you're just going to go ahead and click OK. It's going to say, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? And you say yes. If there had been a big Windows update that had previously happened to your PC, it might say previous Windows installation, and it might be very large. That is a backup of your PC before that update. So if your PC is having issues and you're doing this because it's having major issues, you probably don't need to do the disk cleanup. And it's going to ask you right here and prompt you, are you sure you want to delete this backup? You want to click no if you're doing this because it's having major issues, because disk cleanup and disk defragment are not going to fix anything major. So it's definitely not made for that type of thing. So now you see the cleanup is completed. So now we've freed up a little bit of extra space on the PC. Now let's go ahead and look at the defragmenter. So now we've got the defragmenter, and it'll show all the partitions and drives that you have connected to your PC. And again, the main drive that we're concerned with is the one that we're using all the time, which is the C drive. And it's the one that tends to get cluttered up. So just like your house can get cluttered up if you're in and out all the time, if you're using your PC and saving and deleting and moving things, it really reacts in the same way. So you can see on a weekly basis, the computer is set to do it, and you can change these settings by clicking this button here. But I'm going to leave mine on weekly, and I'm just going to hit optimize on this drive. And so my drive is a very fast drive, and it completed very quickly. But if you click optimize, it can take some time for it to complete, but if you just wait for it to complete, it'll tell you that it's done and it has reached the maximum efficiency that it can. So you can see mine increased some, but didn't change much, and yours might be the same way. So this is Morgan with DoYouEvenTech, and that's both how to clean up your PC a little bit and how to optimize the drives. We'll see you guys in the next video.